संयोजक कन्वीनर और को कन्वीनर से मीटिंग हुई। 21 डिस्ट्रिक्ट से आए थे और वह सभी सेल, विद टीचर सेल हो गया, प्रोफेशनल सेल, मछुआरा सेल, दे विल बी वर्किंग इन डिफरेंट सेक्शंस ऑफ द पीपल और उसको अपने पार्टी के साथ उनको जोड़ने का काम करेंगे। और बीजेपी जैसा संगठन किसी अन्य पार्टी में नहीं है। वी हैव अ क्रेडेंशियल लीडर, मोस्ट पॉपुलर लीडर नरेंद्र मोदी जी, और कांग्रेस में कोई नेता नहीं है। उनके केंद्र स्तर पर राहुल गांधी, जैसा मैंने कहा, उनका कोई नेतृत्व नहीं है और उनका फेल्ड नेतृत्व है। प्रदेश में भारतीय जनता पार्टी का संगठन बहुत अच्छी तरीके से काम कर रहा है। हम लोग आने वाले जिला परिषद के चुनाव में भी अच्छी सफलता प्राप्त करेंगे। I am not here to respond what Ethanol say. I'm not. What he's saying,
But a serious issue that
You are the in charge of the state.
But who
MLA
is?
of the BJP
But that is there.
CM funding to Bihar.
Everyone, everyone, everyone everyone knows the nature of the so-called MLA. You said he has been saying for the last many years false allegation. These are the things that he is making just for the sake of coming into the media, and this is not important for us. We are running a good government and will focus on the governance of the BJP government over here.
But why don't you take any action, sir?
Any action against it?
Why don't you take any action? Because one of your MLAs speaking against the BJP.
Sir, he has we can accept Etna's statement or reject it.
Reject it, 100% reject. There is no question of. He
why
say
are you not taking
whatever
any
he is saying, it is false.
Sir, he is your MLA.
Hey, look, अरे भाई,
Your party ka neta.
अरे I am Neta, I am the National General Secretary. Okay, we have our government in 16 states. We have more than around 2,000 MLAs with us. So why you are concentrating on one person?
So then is there any action against Mr. Ethanol for stating such a statements?
He has been already been issued the notice.
Sir, for that notice,
I don't know why you people are taking so much interest.
He has replied. He has given 11 pages of statement. Detailed answer.
He has mentioned misruling of Yediyurappa.
I think you people should not give too much importance of the person who has already been speaking like this.
Have you received his answer, sir? Have you received his answer?
This is our disciplinary action committee. It must have received.
Sir, doesn't this allegation reflect badly on the party, sir? He says that Vijayanta has parked funds in Mauritius, which he has earned by corruption here.
Whatever he is saying is totally wrong. He is wrong. He has always been stating the statement which is always proved wrong.
Then why you are not taking
Yeah,
any
definitely. He
action
is our
against
vice
him, sir?
president. Why don't you support him?
Sir,
He is the vice president of the party.
being a
State over here.
being in charge of Karnataka state, why don't you take against your own MLA from BJP party who is speaking against the
We
party?
have already issued the statement.
But it is going on from very long days.
Because his nature is that.
Vice President.
Huh?
MLA or Vice President?
क्या?
Important. MLA, Neta, your Neta MLA.
Each and every worker, even as mandal level worker, our कार्यकर्ता, booth level our कार्यकर्ता is important as equal as the minister or MLA or MP. For us, every कार्यकर्ता is important. सभी कार्यकर्ता महत्वपूर्ण है हमारे लिए. The highest rate of diesel and petrol that is there in the Rajasthan. You just compare of the diesel and petrol rate of the Karnataka and Rajasthan. See, the Rajasthan, it is being ruled by the Congress. There, the diesel petrol rate, that is the highest in the country. Let him reply, and he should, rather I advise him to go and protest against his own government in Rajasthan. He should reply that in the Rajasthan, when the Rahul Gandhi went in the rally, he said, I am going to waive of the farmer loan in 1, 2, 3, 4, 7, 10 days. 2 years is there. no farms loan have been waived so far. He should reply to the farmers. Why the farmers loan which were committed to be waived by the Rahul Gandhi himself? Farm loans जो है उसका waive नहीं किया अभी तक. Number one. Then he said, Rahul Gandhi said, and all the Congress leaders said in the Rajasthan, we will not hike the electricity charges. Electricity charges have been hiked again and again in there. Then third thing, the Congress, why I am telling you, you should know the Congress कथनी और करनी क्या कहती है करती है. उन्होंने कहा था कि once we come into the power, we'll give the unemployment जो क्या बोलते भत्ता को क्या बोलते हैं unemployment unemployment dole. After 2 years, the youth are roaming on the road to road, corner to corner. They are asking from the Rahul Gandhi, a Congress chief minister, give me the unemployment bhatta. But the Congress is not responding. So let the Surjewala, let the Rahul Gandhi should reply regarding the Rajasthan. This is what I say. Congress जो कहती है कभी करती नहीं है. कांग्रेस झूठे वादा करती है. इसलिए जब भी चुनाव होता है देश की जनता, प्रदेश की जनता कांग्रेस जो को गुमराह करती है, कांग्रेस को खुद गुमराह करके बीजेपी को जिता देती है. दिस इज द गवर्नमेंट आउटलुक वन हैज टू सी. बट ओवरऑल आई कैन से व्हाई डोंट यू आस्क कांग्रेस, माय सिंपल रिप्लाई, व्हाई डोंट यू आस्क टू द गवर्नमेंट when their government was there in the center, the inflation rate was 13% overall in 2009 and 10. The average inflation rate for the last 5 years when the Congress was there in the center, it was 7.6%. Now the inflation rate is lowest. So ask to the Congress. Rather, you should appreciate, all should appreciate the policies of the Narendra Modi ji. What I suggest to all the media, that when you have to see the inflation, you have to see how much consumption, how much spending of one family does. On the basis of that, you can work out whether the inflation or mahgai is there or not. It is not that you have to pick up one item, says sometime tomato, sometime onion. It is not the formula. Suppose some family is spending 10,000 rupees per month, how much total increase in the spending? That is the formula to be adopted. That is the thing, assessment. Oh, ethanol is your friend so much asking you a question about ethanol. He is irrelevant for us, bhai. He is irrelevant, simple. See, and Karkarta also don't believe his statement. Don't believe his statement because his credentials are like that. He has been speaking again and again and embracing to the party time and time. In the forthcoming election, we are going to form the government in Puducherry because 15 days back, the Congress state president who was there till 2020, he was the state president and the minister also, he resigned the Congress and joined the BJP. Lot of MLA, they have also resigned the Congress and they have joined the BJP. We are going to form our government in the next assembly election in Puducherry. Thank you.